In the first part of 2025, I will be going on a month-long road trip across the western United States. I will be living in a 2025 Alaskan camper. I'm taking all of my personal belongings and will be staying at, living out of, showering, eating in the Alaskan camper. I have 3 cloth bins that I'm going to use for kitchen items, laundry, and then a miscellaneous bin as well. It's currently the day before the trip, and I'm getting everything packed up and getting ready to hit the road. So it was either buy a bunch of new kitchen stuff or take my kitchen stuff along with me. 1 cutting board, 1 plate, 1 bowl, a kitchen knife, a couple of forks and a couple of spoons, dishwasher soap, my trusty scrub daddy, my cast iron skillet, and a spatula which is currently dirty. 1 boiling pot, some cooking oil, and some salt and pepper. The reason I'm bringing basically 1 of each item is to stay disciplined. I want to stay light. It's going to force me to wash my dishes, which I traditionally have not been very good at. When you only have 1 plate to eat off of, you're gonna have to wash it. I also have a couple water jugs that I thought would be smart to bring along. As far as clothing goes, I'm going to bring a lot of underwear. I don't really know when I'll be able to do laundry or anything like that, so I don't think I can go wrong with the most amount of underwear. I think clean underwear is probably the most important item of clothing that needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna bring 10 to 12 pairs of underwear. I might even bring 13, who knows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Can't forget the trusty trail shoes. I will be doing some running out on the open road and in the nature. My road running shoes as well. A couple pairs of running shorts. A couple pairs of jeans, as well as some kind of relaxing pants for hanging out around camp and stuff like that. And then of course, all the socks. People sometimes ask me, why is your bed on the ground? Well, my bed used to be not on the ground. People don't always ask me that. Nobody, maybe one person has asked me that. People always say, oh, people always ask me this. No, they don't, dog. Nobody's asking you shit. I don't know if you guys agree with me on this, but I feel like you can wear the same pair of jeans for like 3-4 times. All the socks. Shit, I'm talking about all the socks. I actually might even I'm probably going to buy some new socks while I'm out there. Shit, I'm talking about all the socks. Couple of shirts. The trusty running belt. My fly's been down this whole time. I'm not gonna repack. That's the shot. I packed kind of light because there are some things I want to do. I want to run. I want to work out. I want to go snowboarding. So I packed accordingly. My girlfriend's coming over to say goodbye. Catch you guys in the morning on the first day of the journey. We are officially on the road. It is 7:55 a.m. here in rainy Seattle. I have about a 2-hour drive headed to Alaskan Campers headquarters in Winlock, Washington. So I eventually got to Alaskan headquarters in Winlock, Washington, and they actually make everything here in-house, fully manufactured in the USA, which is pretty cool. They were getting a brand new 2025 camper set up for me. And yeah, I mean, here they are putting it on the back of the truck. Pretty cool stuff to see. And then I hit the open road. All right, so I just pulled up to the spot in Idaho and it's snowing. Let's get the camper set up. Now, Alaskan used to have a pneumatic lift, but they just introduced an all-electric lift that goes up automatically. So I just pushed the button and my hard-sided camper is gonna keep me warm all night. It's kind of a blizzard out here. Nice. All right. Let's get that heater going. Okay, so the camper is now raised up. Now I just put these hard side panels up. Nice and easy. And boom. I am fully closed in a nice warm camper. And I'm ready to get some good night's sleep. Honestly, probably took me 5 minutes to set the camper up. And heater's blowing out hot. I feel like I'm gonna be nice and toasty tonight. I mean, this is it. This is where I'll be living for the next month. Nice. All right, ever since I pulled up in this spot, the snow started coming down like crazy. So this is what we're working with. Just out here right outside of Boise. We're gonna see how it looks in the morning, but as of right now, it's coming down pretty good. All right, y'all, I'm pretty sleepy, so I think I'm gonna hit the hay and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Let's see how much snow we got. Warm. Today's the first stop of the Alaskan pop-up tour in Boise, Idaho, from 12 to 4 p.m. And we're gonna go meet some future Alaskan customers and then head on down to Salt Lake City. Yeah, it's still coming down. I have to put the camper down before I drive. Open up the sides here. Hello. So I just wrapped up the Alaskan Campers pop-up tour in Boise, Idaho. I've been here showing the camper to potential customers, current customers, and random passer-buyers. But it's about 4 o'clock and it's time to head down to Salt Lake City. After a 6-hour drive, I made it to my hometown of Spanish Fork, Utah. Good morning. I got in late last night here in Spanish Fork, Utah. I was able to sleep at my parents' place. It was real nice to see them. This is the spot. That's where I grew up. So yeah, that's my parents' place. But this morning, I'm headed to Salt Lake City to show the camper to a few more people. And then after that, I have a couple days of downtime to hang out with my family and some of my friends from growing up. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, thanks for coming out.
I got a little wrench that I used and I just left it in there.
This is the setup for the pop-up tour shows. This is Salt Lake City. We have all sorts of stuff, keychains, t-shirts, stickers, you name it. And yeah, people come out and get a look and a feel for it. It's been really cool to show the camper to potential customers as well as talk about the camper with existing customers. Pew, 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 pew. Mileage update. I have officially crossed the 1,000-mile threshold. That means I have driven 1,000 miles on the trip, all the way from Washington to Utah. Today, it felt really good to kind of take a break from driving and just hang out with friends and family here in Utah. I was able to, me and my buddy Jason went on a run. We did a little workout and that felt really good. And then tonight, I'm gonna have some dinner with family, just kind of hanging out. And then tomorrow, I'm headed to Denver. This feels like a good place to end this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.